E King.
Brought to you by Brad.
And E King. Sang that song, Stand By Me. Watch out for the e-bike, Mike. Look at how tall this thing is, dude. It's one of those.
Yeah.
You were just hugging one of those like a little while ago. I've never seen one that big. Have you?
It's pretty big.
Yeah, it's like a 30 fucking footer, bro. Oh, here's... Yeah, I think that's the island. Dude, you were literally driving up the river, not the road. This is awesome. Thanks for doing this, dude. Wow, you're driving up the river. What?
Oh, and I think we're exiting right now. And getting a pin straight.
Pin straight. Your dad's a straight loon, dude.
Yeah, four-wheel drive.
Yeah, fucking ease out of here. Oh, no problem. No problem. See you later, bitch.
Oh, man. Ding dong, I heard it. Brother!
Brother. Now you're driving in somebody's front yard. This is fucking crazy, bro. I've never done this in Holy Gym, ever. And I've been coming up here since I was fucking like 16, 15, bro. You just went straight crazy. You're gonna do that.